Single to double line command. To convert single line to double line, we are going to use AutoCAD program command called single to double line. This command can be called through AutoCAD menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call single to double line command is S2D. When this command is called, single to double line layout tab will be opened. We can choose the type of double line, multi or normal, using this radio button. For auto width, the width of the double line will be assigned, depend upon the color of the line. To view the width assigned relative to color can be viewed using this button. Normally set scale as 1 to keep exact width of double line. Select the lines to be modified as double line. Selected single lines had been converted to double lines.